Kevin Litt. I am here at the old Brawley Theatre. Let's go check it out. Oh, this is cool. They got some vintage movie posters.
Short or long sleeve.
Really
The short
cool.
sleeve are
What
15,
you're doing
the
here.
long are 20. Thank you.
This is cool. So you guys are working to get this reopened eventually
Yeah,
as a live
yeah.
production?
We've
Yeah.
had a few events so far. We've had a Halloween event, and then we also had a Christmas event.
Nice.
So it's, slowly, they tried to renovate it like 5 years ago.
Right.
And
It cost a
the roof
lot.
caved in.
Oh.
They were putting a new roof
Back
in,
to
and then the
square
roof
one.
fell in.
Yeah, oh
so
man. This
kinda
is
put a
cool
pause.
though. This is really cool.
People are ready for it though, for sure.
Yeah.
But this is a show my boss made. It's on YouTube. You guys can watch it. The Man from Jalisco. It's filmed right here in Brawley and all over Imperial County.
Nice.
Yeah.
This is cool. I like the old marquee, and then even that old light up there.
And he's got the comments.
Be cool to see that
Yeah,
lit up again. Look at that. Put some new light bulbs in it. Yeah. Really cool. So they're looking to reopen this as a live venue. Let's go down in here. Yep, there's the old auditorium. Cool. So they apparently were working on a while and the roof caved in, but they're with the balcony too. Look at that. It's a trip. It'd be so awesome to see this restored. Oh yeah, they redid the roof up there, and yeah. Of course, down here would be where the screen goes. Except they're gonna repurpose it as a live production. And what? Pretty much since COVID, not a lot of people go to see a movie in a theater anymore. It's kind of sad.
This must be where the big stage is.
Yeah, definitely behind there. Look at that with the balcony. Yeah, they got a whole new roof up there. Yeah, pretty fucking cool.
I've seen a movie theater without the chairs.
No, I have in Gary, Indiana. For whatever reason, people over the years kept stealing the seats.
I know, the upstairs.
Yeah, that's pretty cool with the balcony and all. Yeah. Let's go up in here. Yeah, look at that old plaster walling. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. We wouldn't want Adam from Bombay Beach being in here. I've seen documentaries like in the really old theaters where sometimes way up in the balcony would be the cheap seats, and they had gates that they would lock the patrons in so they wouldn't sneak into the more expensive seats. And of course, people died in fires and all that.
Wow.
And also, the old theaters, both live and movie, used to have an asbestos screen that would come down. That was an emergency. Like if the stage lights caught on fire, they would lower this asbestos screen to keep it burning. But they would brag about it because back then asbestos was a miracle substance. It's it's a good fire block, a good sound absorber, a good
now they know that
insulator.
it's not that
Now they
great
realize
of a
it's
thing.
not such a great thing. Yeah.
Yeah. I like it.
Oh, look at those doors too.
Yeah,
Really
it'd
cool.
be great for like a little restaurant,
Okay, to walk on this.
a wine bar, or something. Have like
Oh yeah, it's pretty solid down there. Oh, look at this. Look at that. Oh, these are, yeah. These are like part of old projectors, or what's left of them.
I was like,
I mean, people have looted Oh, these are the original doors too.
A lot of the town buildings
Yeah.
are original.
Theaters were some of the first buildings to have air conditioning because obviously they couldn't have windows open and keep it dark.
look at that.
Yeah, pretty cool.
What an unexpected.
This is the Brawley Theater in Brawley, California, north of El Centro, south of Bombay Beach. Kevin Litt.